Yeah, what's up traders? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you the trade I took last week. Just a quick trade review on the trade I took on GBP USD, because currently for now I'm trading only GBP USD. So let's move to the chart. This is my GBP USD chart. So I'm going to be scrolling back to show you the trades I took. So this is the last upper week, and this is where the week started from. Let me draw my little zone. So as you can see, there's a zone right there which I was anticipating to go short. This trade you are seeing here, I didn't take the trade, the two trade, I didn't take any of them. Why? Because I missed out on the two trades. I was anticipating to go short on that trade that particular day. I think it was Tuesday or Monday, any of those days, but I think it should be Tuesday. So I was anticipating to go short on that trade. At that structure, I was waiting for a break, retest, and also I was having a trend line right here. So at the break of that trend line, I was anticipating for me to go short on that, which after the break, there's this little pullback from the 5-minute time frame, which there was this little pullback. Where is it? This little pullback, this consolidation at this area right here. Yes, this consolidation at this area. So I was anticipating that, and a small pullback, I'm going to go in for short. And after the pullback on this red candle, that is where I was supposed to enter for the short, but I was not on my chart by then. So this move has already happened before I have to analyze the market again and found out that I'm supposed to enter from that position. So on this now, after I saw price pulling back upward again, but I was like, wow, I wish price could just come back to my zone again. I'm still going to go in for a short, and to my surprise, price gets back to that zone, but I was still not on chart. I was not watching my charts by then, so I still missed out on this one. I also missed out on this one, so I have to just let it play and I wait for the next day. So the next day, price went back to my daily zone. Price went to my daily zone, my daily level, and I was anticipating to go short on this one. So at this point in time, when price got to that level, I drew my trend line. At that time, it was something like this. After like that trend line, in the 5-minute time frame, I was looking to go short. I was looking to go short on that. Is it? Yeah, this is it. I was looking to go short on this one, so I was waiting for the break of this trend line, and also there was a structure right here. There was a structure right here at this area. There was a structure right here. So at the break of that structure and break of this trend line with this candle that broke, this bullish pullback, I was like, if it's pull back and give me a bearish momentum, I'm going to go in for a sell. And after this red candle, the second bearish candle, I went in for a short immediately after that candle, and price just went down a little bit and pushed up. It almost hit my stop loss, but I was just patient because I trust on my analysis. So I have to analyze the market to see what's going on, to know if my setup is still valid, and I have to just adjust everything. So I adjusted my trend line, this way, and as you can see, that was my new zone, the yellow zone right here. This yellow zone, I adjusted it to this support that if price break, I'm gonna wait for the retest, the pullback, and I'm going to go in for my short, and immediately price pull back to that area. Not I'm already in for the short, but I'm going to have that confidence that price is still going to go down, and immediately price broke retest. I was so confident and I hold my positions. Initially I was targeting this previous low, but unfortunately price pull back from here. By then I've already take partial profit, and it is what it is. So this other trade right here, price got to this level, this orange line, and I draw my trend line. As you can see, this is my trend line. I draw my trend line, wait for the break of that trend line, and a little structure right here, as you can see, price consolidate at this area. So I wait for the break, price consolidate at this area right here, and at the break I went in for a short, and immediately I went in for the short, price went into profit. It was just a sniper entry, price went into profit, and I closed this position early. Why? Because at this point I saw these projections from this place, so I was afraid it's going to just pull back, because we are somehow in a bullish trend in the smaller time frame. So I have to exit immediately, and unfortunately price just went down to straight to my TP. It is what it is. So but I still backed some profit on this one. So immediately it got to my zone, my daily zone. I was anticipating to go long, and I drew my trend line. My counter trend line. As you all know, I always draw counter trend line. That's my confirmation for entry. I drew my trend line, and at the break of this trend line, immediately it broke this trend line. I went in for a long. I was supposed to wait for break of structure, because with the kind of momentum I saw right here, with the type of momentum I saw right here after this bullish candle, bullish momentum candle. So I just hoping for the buy, because the momentum is gathering. I just believe, yes, the bullish trend want to start. So I hoping for a buy right there. At this point, I hoping for the buy. At this point, I just went in for the buy right here. So I was initially targeting 2 hour, but as you can see from the trade, I was targeting 2 hour from around I think somewhere here. That was where I was targeting my to exit my trade in profit, but because of what happened, price pushed up. As when price pushed up, reach that particular area, price started to reject and pull back. Price started to reverse from this point right here. So immediately price reversed back. I immediately draw my level right here and see if price is going to respect, and price respected it. I was like, whoa, I didn't take partial profit when price came back, when price came here. So let price just get there again. I'm going to take my partial profit. That's how I control my emotions in this forest game. That's how I control my emotions. That's how I manage my psychology. So I immediately price got to this level again, I just took partial profit, and left some positions to run. But unfortunately I just found out that price started to reject that area again, and immediately I exit all my positions. So I was able to pack some little profit, and for me, the three trades I took was a winner for me, and I was really grateful, because since the beginning of this year I've seen a lot of changes. I've seen a lot of changes from my trading, my setup, and everything. Everything has just changed, and this strategy I just try to refine it, and this strategy is 80% win rate. So this strategy has been doing well. It has been doing well for me. So right now I'm going to be looking at the chart, and let's clear all this, and let's see what we are going to be expecting from GU this coming week. So I'll be moving to my daily time frame so that you see my levels. These are my levels. So the blue are my daily levels. I mapped it out there so that I won't clear it. I'll always use it, because as long as prices still remain within that area, those levels, I just leave the lines there so that I will use it. What I do clear is this orange lines, which is my intraday levels. I do clear it and start again. That's what I do. So let me go to my 4-hour time frame. For my 4-hour time frame now, as you can see, we are going bearish. So bearish from the 4-hour time frame, and as from this 4-hour time frame, I see we are going to continue bearish even next week, because from this chart you can see the bearish momentum it's already bringing. You can see this candle, this bearish candle with full momentum, this particular candle right here with full bearish momentum. So I'll be expecting bearish next week. And I don't know if you can see something like a head and shoulder. This is it, a head and shoulder pattern. So what I'll be expecting a pullback to this blue line. I'll be expecting a pullback to this blue zone, this level right here, and I'm going to be shorting from that area. If it happens, price pullback to that zone. So let's still take a picture. Let's take a look at the 1-hour time frame and see what to expect. As you can see, price has broken this trend. It came back to retest I didn't analyze this last week. I would have seen that it broke and want to retest. I also anticipated buy, because it came back to my daily level, and I know price must react to that level. That's why I was looking to buy. So right now, price broke this trend line and it has went back to retest it. Price broke the trend line, came back to retest it, and now it has broken this level. This is my daily level, so I'll be expecting price to pull back into this level again, so I will go short. So as you can see, I have multiple confluence that this is going to continue bearish next week, because when price pull back to this level, there is also my 50 EMA and 20 EMA. So the price is going to go back to retest it and start dropping down. So two confluence already, my daily level and this indicators. So right there, I can also use my fib tool to see if it aligns with that. As you can see, it's also in my zone, the orange zone 0.618 level. It aligned with the resistance level, the daily zone. It aligned with it. So that's triple confluences that I will use on this trade. So I'm expecting to short next week. We are expecting more of sales next week, but before then, we are going to immediately the market opens. We are going to see a bullish move before the bearish move. So this is what I'm expecting from the market next week. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't hesitate to like, subscribe, and share this video. If you love more content like this, please let me know in the comment section down below, so I'll upload more videos similar to this or more videos like this. And also, if you're watching my previous video on the reality of trading forex, I don't know what's your opinion on that. If you have anything concerning anything you want to tell me concerning that video, please just let me know in the comment section. Peace.